gonna show you how I made $245 using Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, so this will be a really quick tutorial and easy and simple for you guys, for beginners who want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. This video is for you because I'm gonna share with you everything you need to start. I'm gonna share with you which affiliate services you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission, because you cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people will be interested to buy. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how you can join affiliate marketing step by step. So let's get started. As you can see over here in my balance, it's showing $0 because it's paid. I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account, and in this video I'm gonna share with you guys the method, my method. You just need to copy and paste and you will earn commission like this if you follow those steps. Okay, so let's get started. So first step, guys, what you need to do is you need to go to Google. Okay, and you're gonna search for Fiverr. Click on the first link over here, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, so what you will do next is you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. Okay, what you need to do is you just need to click over here on join now. Before we do that, let me scroll down and let me show you the commission plan. See commission over here, because they are really paying a good commission, guys. Look at this, it's up to $115 if just one person buy a service from your affiliate link. You can earn up to $115. That's really a lot of money. Okay, so click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page, as you can see. So what you will do next, put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type, make it private. Scroll down, you will answer a few questions and you need to choose your country, choose your language, and if you have Skype you can use your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next and answer next few questions. It's super easy, anyone can sign up. Okay, it will take just a few minutes, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, so go back to your home page on Fiverr and search for this service. Search for Etsy digital product. Okay, because a lot of people are searching for Etsy digital products on Pinterest. That's why we choose this service. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they can buy this service from you and you will earn commission, if that makes sense. So make sure to choose good sellers. So for example, I will do Etsy digital product setup. Okay, this one, level 2 seller, he has a lot of reviews and he is selling this service just for $10, so people can give it a try. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. As you can see, what you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. Copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links like this, and click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here again and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So next step now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So just copy this link from here and go to Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest. So if you don't have an account on Pinterest, go to Google Search for Pinterest, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and of course it's for free. You can use it for free, and make sure to choose business account, not personal account. We need business account. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on home feed over here and click on create pin. Then you will be directly in this page over here. As you can see, what you need to do is you need to upload picture about your service. So how you can do this, go back to this seller page that you copy his link, scroll down, this is his picture, click on his picture, it will be like this, double click, save this picture to your laptop. Okay, I'm gonna name it Etsy and click save. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, open, and here you go, this is your picture. So what you will do now, you need title and description, but first let's put our affiliate link here. Put your affiliate link here. This is my affiliate link. So we need title, description. We will go back to this seller page and we will copy his title because we are just an affiliate, so I can use his information. Okay, I'm gonna put this title here. Okay, description, I will go back to this seller page. I will scroll down. You can see over here about this gig, this is his description. I'm gonna copy this one, copy this part to show you, and go to Pinterest and put this description here like this. Okay, scroll down, you need to choose a board. Click over here. If you are new, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. It's easy and simple to create a board on Pinterest. So after you finish, it should be over here. So and you can create as many as you want. I created 3. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down. So what you will do next is you need to put tags here. Okay, so you will go back to this seller page. You will keep scrolling down. Okay, so just keep scrolling down like this, and you should see over here related tags. Copy those tags. Okay, I'm gonna copy this one and put those tags here. Okay, like this. Go back, copy this one and put those tags here. After you finish, click on publish and your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. It's really super easy and simple. As you can see, it's published. Okay, so that's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest just using free traffic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video. And make sure to promote at least as beginner 3 to 5 affiliate services per day, so your chance to get commission will be high. Okay, so see you in my next video.